In this video, we will discuss enabling and disabling the vaporizer on a CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Enter the Settings menu. Scroll down to Equipment. Then to Delivery. Next, scroll down to General Settings. Then to Vaporizer. Use the up and down arrows to cycle through the options. Press Select to save the setting. Note, this change only applies to the current A or B user. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.